I wish I learned this earlier in life. Everything changed for me after 50s when I realized this one simple truth. And when it finally clicked, something inside me relaxed. Because I realized I had been looking in the wrong direction in my whole life. We spend so much of time trying to fix what outside of us. We try to change people. We try to change situation. We try to work harder and we try to control outcomes. Why? We think if this person acted differently, if my circumstances improve, and if life was easier, then I would feel better. But here's what I learned. Our outer world, our material life, our relationships, our health, and our overall quality of life, they are all reflection of our inner world. And once you truly understand that, you stop wasting energy and time in the wrong place. Because if your outer world is a reflection, then trying to change it directly is like trying to fix a reflection in the mirror. And it doesn't work. Instead, you go to the source. You go within. Going within doesn't have to be complicated. It simply means becoming aware of what is happening inside you. Your belief, your perception, your emotion, your pattern, and your reaction. For example, if you believe deep down that you are not enough, that belief will quietly shape your choices. Or if you expect people to disappoint you, you will see that pattern everywhere. And if you carry stress or fear inside, your body and your life will reflect it. So instead of asking, why is this happening to me? You gently ask, what is happening inside me? You think of it like a mirror. If you stand in front of the mirror and you want the reflection to smile, you don't try to change the mirror. You don't argue with it. You don't blame it. You simply smile. And the reflection has no choice but to smile back. Life works the same way. When you shift inside of you, your outer world begins to shift too. And this is actually good news because it means you have power. Not over everything in the world, but over something even more important. Your inner state, your attention, your energy, your response. You have the ability to change your thought, to question your belief, to soften your reaction, and to choose how you show up. That is where real change begins. And the simplest way to start is to sit quietly with yourself. No fixing, no forcing, no overthinking. Just sitting, just noticing. You're just witnessing your body, your mind, and your heart. First, even 5 minutes a day, then 10 minutes, and 20, 30 minutes. Because when you slow down, you begin to hear what is really going on inside. And once you see it, you can change it. Now, let's do a short meditation together. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently exhale. Again, breathe in slowly and release. Let your shoulders drop. Let your face soften. There's nothing you need to do right now. Just notice your breath. If thoughts come, that's okay. Don't fight it. Just notice and let them pass. Bring your attention back to your breath. Feel your body sitting here. Feel the stillness. Feel the quiet place within you. This is where change begins. Not outside, but here. Stay here for a few more breaths and let everything settle. Whenever you are ready, gently bring your awareness back. And remember, you don't have to change everything at once. Just start within. Small shift inside. And create big changes outside. And over time, your life begins to reflect that.